Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, power windows, power door locks, CD player. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.